Welcome to our channel. If you need to remove VPN from iPhone permanently, follow these step-by-step instructions to delete VPN configurations and profiles. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone by tapping the grey gear icon on your home screen. Step 2. Tap on General to access General Device Settings. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management, or just VPN, if you only have VPN configurations. Step 4. Under the VPN section, you will see all configured VPN connections on your device. Step 5. Tap the blue information icon next to the VPN you want to remove. Step 6. Scroll to the bottom of the VPN configuration page and tap Delete VPN. Step 7. Confirm the deletion by tapping Delete again in the confirmation dialog. Step 8. If you installed a VPN app, go back to your home screen and find the VPN app icon. Step 9. Press and hold the VPN app icon until a menu appears, then select Delete App. Step 10. Tap Delete to confirm removal of the VPN app from your iPhone. After deletion, restart your iPhone to ensure all VPN configurations are completely cleared from your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.